Hello guys, this is Siva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys another volatility index strategy, a very powerful strategy for scalping in the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, I'm going to quickly share with you guys the indicator setup for this strategy, and then I will be explaining how the strategy works. Okay, so we click on this F icon here. After clicking on that, we search for our first indicator, which is the relative strength index, as you can see here. Okay, so before you add the relative strength index, you click on this plus icon, the main window plus icon, then you search for the relative strength index. All right, the period is 1. All right, the apply to exclude, the level we have 15 and 85. The color is red, 3 pixel. You click on done. You make the color here the color of your background, right, which is white. Right, after that you click on done. Okay, and you are going to have these levels. All right, this 80 and this 85 and 15 level, which is the level, the overbought and the oversold level. Okay, that's why we need the RSI, which is the relative strength index. Okay, now the next indicator we have here is the moving average, which is this one here. All right, so you click on this second plus icon, the indicator window 1 plus icon, to add the moving average under the relative strength index. Okay, so you search for your moving average. The period is 14, the shift is 0, the method is exponential, apply to exclude. Right, the level you leave it as it is, time frame all time frame. The style you make it color blue, 3 pixel, and you click on done. That's the first moving average. The second moving average, you click on the indicator window 1 plus icon again. You search for moving average again. Okay, you change the period to 7, the shift is 0, the method is exponential, apply to exclude. All right, time frame all time frame, you make the color red, 3 pixel, and you click on done. All right, now the last indicator we have here is the stochastic oscillator. All right, so you are to click on this main window plus icon. All right, then you search for your stochastic oscillator. Now these are the properties. The care period is 5, D period is 3, slowing is 3, price yield is low high. All right, the method is simple. Now the levels, we have 20 and 80. The style is red. All right, 3 pixel, and you click on done. Right, now the time frame is all time frame. Now under the style here, you make the main color green, and the signal you make it color red, 3 pixel for the both of them. And after that you click on done. All right, now you are going to have a setting like this once you have done everything I have just instructed you guys. All right, so after that, the next thing now is to explain how the strategy works. Okay, now before I do that, before I explain how the strategy works, I want to quickly remind you guys about the powerful boom and crash strategy, the VIP boom and crash strategy for growing as little as a $5 account. Okay, if you are a beginner and you are struggling to grow your account, all right, I have a powerful boom and crash strategy for you, a powerful strategy for growing as little as a $5 account. Okay, so if you are interested and you want this strategy, you check the description of this video. You are going to see my WhatsApp contact there. Do make sure to message me and we'll discuss on how you get the strategy. All right, so that is that about that. Now back to the topic of the day, which is this this strategy here. Now this is a scalping strategy for volatility index. All right, you can use this strategy to trade any volatility indices. Okay, V10, V25, V50, V100. Right, any volatility index at all you can use with this strategy. All right, so now this is how the strategy works. All right, it's a very simple strategy to understand, and it's a strategy that you should be using on the 5 minute time frame for scalping. All right, you don't need to stay long, just get in, you get out. All right, straight in, straight out. You don't need to waste time. Now I'm going to be explaining how the strategy work on the 5 minute time frame. All right, and then I will show you how to do your analysis on the higher time frame. Okay, because you need to use this strategy to follow the trend of the market. All right, you don't just go in from the 5 minute time frame. You need to know the direction of the market in order to be safe, all right, and profitable along the way. All right, so now let's go back a little bit so that I'll show you guys some things. Now let me first of all use this indicator, the stochastic oscillator. Okay, let's just use this area here. All right, so as you can see here in the market, all right, take note of the indicator window 2 around this area here. Okay, so now the condition is the 5-minute condition is that you want to see price here. I want to see this red and blue line here gets to the 80 level. All right, once it's at the 80 level, all right, you want to see the green line crossing below the red. All right, so once that crossing happen, all right, you go in for your sell. All right, this is a sell condition right now. The same thing applies to a buy. All right, so once it get to this area, you look for buy entries and you buy to the upside. Also for here, you look for sell entry and you sell to the downside. It's as simple as that for the 5-minute time frame. That is what this indicator is here for. All right, now for this one, all right, you have to go to the higher time frame to make use of that. All right, so the time frame you are to use with this strategy is the 30-minute time frame. All right, so here on the 30-minute time frame, this is what you should take note of. All right, now you can see initially our red and blue line was at the oversold level, which is our 15 level on the indicator window 1. So you can see this thing here, right? Now is at the oversold level here. All right, so at this area you want to see the red line crossing the blue line. All right, so once the red line crosses above the blue line, you start looking for buy entry. So initially you can see the red cross below the blue line, so we look for sell entry to this area until it cross above until the red line cross above the blue line. Then we start looking for buy entries. All right, so up until this area now, right, you can see that now. For those of you who don't know how to do analysis, because you can see I mixed it up with some price action and all that, all right? But I'm just explaining based on this indicator right now, so you should just take note of only the indicator area, okay? All right, so price moved from this area to this area here, all right? So around this area now, you want to wait for the red to cross below the blue line, all right? So that is what happened here. You can see that the red is below the blue line here now. All right, so around this area now, you can see that you have done your analysis that you know that the red line is below the blue line. All right, which means you have to look for only sell signals now. All right, that is what you need to take note of. All right, from what I'm saying, just take note of this. Whenever the red is below the blue line, you only look for sell entry. Right, so initially it crossed above the blue, so around this area you only look for buy entries. This is what I just want you to know. All right, so after you get this, now you have done your analysis from the 30-minute time frame. Now you have to look for sell trades only. You go down to the 5-minute time frame. All right, so once the second indicator here gives you the confirmation, you see the green and the red get to the overbought level, which is our 80 level here. All right, so once you see this condition being met, all right, on the 5-minute time frame, now we are looking for sell trades only. So even if this indicator gets to this area, which is the oversold level, don't go in for buy. All right, don't look for any buy entry. You only look for sell entry with this strategy. It's as simple as, if you follow this thing I'm saying, I promise you are going to make money over time with this strategy. I'm not saying you are not going to take losses. You are going to have losses, but your winning trades are going to be more than the ones you are going to lose. Okay, that is how trading works. There is also loss. All right, so just make use of this strategy. It's a very good strategy. All right, let me go again one more time. You analyze from the 30-minute time frame. Once you see that this red line is below the blue, all right, you only look for sell trades only. Now you go down to your 5-minute time frame. You want to look for a sell condition before taking any sell. All right, so and the sell condition is that you want to see this green and red line get to the overbought level. So once the green crosses below the red, all right, you look for your sell and you take your sell. Okay, so that is what happened here around this area. You can see we got a sell. This here broke below, went back for a retest, and then there was the sell to the downside. Right, it's as simple as that. Okay, so this is what I want you guys to do now. I want you guys to backtest the strategy very well. All right, make sure to backtest the strategy very well. Once you have backtest the strategy and you see that it's working for you, that is when you should go in with your hard-earned money. Okay, don't just take my words for it. Make sure to do the backtesting very well for yourself. All right, after you backtest and you see that it's working for you, then you can go in for your hard-earned money. All right, so at this junction, I think this is going to be the end of the video. All right, if you don't understand anything, you reverse the video and then you watch it over and over. I believe with time you're going to get what I'm saying. All right, because everything I have just explained is very simple. It's as simple as ABCD. All right, so for the zoom level, for those of you who are still going to ask, you zoom out completely and then you zoom in 3 times. 1, let me go again. 1, 2, and 3. The third zoom level, and that is it. Okay, that's it. So I think that is all, guys. If you're a new viewer coming across my channel for the first time, please make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately. And for those of you who have not yet joined the Telegram channel, you check the description of this video. You are going to see the link to the channel, so make sure to join, right? Because there are a lot of information and opportunity you don't want to miss. Okay, so that's it, guys. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Silver out.